Now to the war of words escalating ahead of the Maharashtra Assembly elections, where the Sena Uddhav faction chief Uddhav Thackeray referred to Devendra Fadnavis as a bedbug and Union Home Minister Amit Shah as Ahmed Shah Abdali's political descendant. First up, listen in to Uddhav Thackeray's controversial statement.
बऱ्याच वर्षांनंतर मी पुण्यामध्ये तुमच्या समोर येतोय. खरं म्हणजे मला जाहीर सभा घ्यायची होती, कारण आता लढाई मैदानामध्येच होणार, हॉलमध्ये नाही होणार. आणि जसं मी परवा मुंबईतल्या शिवसैनिकांसमोर बोलताना बोललो, ज्याचा उल्लेख संजय राऊत यांनी केला, आणि इकडे एक फोटो आहे, एक तर तू राहशील किंवा मी राहीन, आणि इकडे मला माहित नाही माझ्या पायाशी एक कलिंगड ठेवले. काही जणांना वाटलं मी त्यांना आव्हान दिलं. मी कोणत्याही ढेकणाला आव्हान देत नाही. मी म्हणजे कोण आणि तू म्हणजे कोण हे समजून घेतलं पाहिजे. मी म्हणजे माझा संस्कारित महाराष्ट्र, आणि तू म्हणजे महाराष्ट्रावरती दरोडे टाकणारा दरोडेखोरांचा, टोळक्यांचा पक्ष जो आहे, तो अख्खा पक्ष. ढेकणाला कधी आव्हान नाही देत. ढेकणं अशी अंगठ्याने चिरडायची असतात. त्याच्यामुळे कोणाला तरी वाटलं की त्यालाच बोललोय, मग त्यांनी सांगितलं माझ्या नादाला लागू नका. रे तुझ्या नादाला लागण्या एवढ्या कुवतीचा तू नाहीच आहेस. पण तुम्ही माझ्या महाराष्ट्राच्या स्वाभिमानाला, त्याच्या गळ्याला नख लावताय, तेव्हा निवडणुकीत वाघनखं कशी असतात, की वाघनखं ही माझ्या समोर बसलेली आहेत. ही महाराजांची वाघनखं, खरी वाघनखं ही महाराष्ट्राची जनता आहे. ही शिवाजी महाराजांची वाघनखं म्हणजे महाराष्ट्रातली जनता आहे. आणि हीच वाघनखं घेऊन उद्याच्या निवडणुकीत हा जो अब्दाली आपल्यावरती चालून आलेला आहे, होय मी त्याला आजपासून अब्दाली म्हणतोय, अहमद शाह अब्दाली म्हणतोय. मला तुम्ही नकली संतान म्हणता तेव्हा लाज नाही वाटत?
Now, in response to Thackeray's remark, Rohit Pawar, the leader of the Sharad Pawar faction, has voiced strong support. Pawar stated that Uddhav Thackeray has delivered a fitting response to Devendra Fadnavis and the other BJP leaders. Listen in.
See, what I would say is it's Mr. Uddhav Thackeray's style. In his style, he has given a right answer to Devendra Fadnavis and all the BJP netas. That is what I would say.
Well, after Uddhav Thackeray's controversial statement, politics has also heated up in Maharashtra, with the Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis saying that Uddhav Thackeray has lost his mental balance. Hence, he is making such statements. Criticizing Uddhav, the Deputy Chief Minister sarcastically also said one can't even comment on such statements. Listen in.
उद्धवजींचा डोक्यावरचा ताबा सुटलेला आहे. ते अत्यंत फ्रस्ट्रेटेड आहेत, आणि त्या फ्रस्ट्रेशनमध्ये ते ज्या प्रकारचे शब्द वापरत आहे, मला असं वाटतं की याच्यावर काय उत्तर आपण देणार आहोत. तेव्हा एखादा व्यक्ती अशा प्रकारच्या फ्रस्ट्रेशनमध्ये डोकं बिघडल्यासारखा बोलतो, त्यामुळे त्याला फार उत्तर द्यायचं नसतं. पण हे भाषण करून जे अमित शहानी सांगितलं होतं, औरंगजेब फॅन क्लब, आपण औरंगजेब फॅन क्लबचेच आहोत, हे मात्र उद्धव ठाकरेंनी दाखवलं.
नहीं, मुझे लगता है उद्धव जी का मानसिक संतुलन खराब हो चुका है. परसों भी माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के ऊपर, मोदी जी के ऊपर भी उन्होंने बहुत गलत बयानबाजी की है. कल देवेंद्र जी के लिए भी उन्होंने बहुत सिंगल टोन में गलत बयानबाजी की है. और आज माननीय अमित भाई के खिलाफ भी, मतलब उनके ऊपर भी उन्होंने बहुत गलत मतलब में गलत शब्द भी उसके लिए गलत है. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है उनका मानसिक संतुलन खराब हो चुका है. उनको अभी इलाज की जरूरत है.
देखिए, उद्धव साहब का फ्रस्ट्रेशन सबके सामने आ रहा है. एक पूरी तरह से एक इंसान सब जगह हार जाता है, उसके पास कुछ बोलने के लिए नहीं रहता है, तो वो ऐसे वैयक्तिक टिप्पणी करता है. आप किस मुंह से इस बयानबाजी को जन्म दे रहे हैं और अमित शाह जी को बता रहे हैं कि हम उसको ये नाम से पुकारेंगे? शर्म आनी चाहिए.
My colleague Aranil Saradekar joins us on the broadcast with the details of the political war of words. Well, Aranil, ahead of the elections, it's a bitter war of words. Devendra Fadnavis, of course, refusing to respond to what Uddhav Thackeray has said, only saying he is frustrated. But the attacks that have been coming in is only setting the tone for what's expected in the assembly elections, isn't it?
Well, good morning to you, Pratibha. Certainly, yes. Around 2 to 3 months before the Maharashtra state elections, it was first Amit Shah who, during his Sabha in Pune, had called Uddhav Thackeray as the leader of Aurangzeb fan club. Uddhav Thackeray, during his Sabha yesterday, hit back at Home Minister Amit Shah, basically saying that he's from the family of Ahmed Shah Abdali. Now, Ahmed Shah Abdali is the Afghan leader who had invaded India and fought a war with the Marathas at Panipat. One of the main enemies of Marathas, if one has to look at it from the historical point of view, during the Peshwa era. Uddhav Thackeray basically trying to equate Home Minister Amit Shah because of his Shah surname with Ahmed Shah Abdali, and also basically hitting back at Devendra Fadnavis, saying that either Devendra Fadnavis will stay in Maharashtra politics or I will stay in Maharashtra politics. Now, why Uddhav Thackeray is particularly lashing out at Devendra Fadnavis? The reason for that is the recent controversy that has proved up. Anil Deshmukh, the former Home Minister of Maharashtra, who was in jail for the Vasuli Gate scam, he basically mentioned saying that Fadnavis's man had come to him saying that he should name Uddhav Thackeray in an affidavit, in a letter. Then there will be a reprieve that will be given to Anil Deshmukh. Fadnavis has denied all these allegations. In response to that, to those claims of Anil Deshmukh, Uddhav Thackeray hit out at Devendra Fadnavis, saying that only you will stay in Maharashtra politics, or it will be me who will be remaining in Maharashtra politics. Fadnavis again has retorted, saying that Uddhav Thackeray clearly has lost his mental balance, and that is why he's making these kind of absurd statements. But you rightly pointed out, such kind of hard-hitting blows and counter-blows coming in only a few months ahead of Maharashtra election basically showcases what to expect in the coming few months.
Absolutely. And from the last assembly elections, there's a big change, a sea of difference that we're seeing. And in, of course, the Lok Sabha elections as well, the theme of betrayal seems to have worked for the Shiv Sena UBT. Stay with us, Aranil. We also have Mr. Ram Kadam of the BJP joining us on the broadcast. Thank you for joining us, Mr. Ram Kadam. Bitter war of words. Uddhav Thackeray has gone on to call Devendra Fadnavis a bedbug and comparing Amit Shah to Abdali.
See, Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis ji, he had already spoke about it, and he said Mr. Uddhav Thackeray is deeply frustrated. And effect of that, his mind and his words has been, day by day, he's been using this kind of derogatory language. And the basic thing is, for the past 4.5 years, and the country has seen that he has abandoned Hindutva. And a lot of Hindus are not with him now. Even his party workers, most of the party workers have joined Mr. Eknath Shindeji's Shiv Sena. So he's been trying to appease one of the segment of one of the religion. And I think that is the reason why he's been indulging into this kind of language. And this is a sheer frustration, nothing else. And he has a fear of losing upcoming election, Vidhan Sabha election and Assembly election in Maharashtra. And definitely the people of this state will teach him the right lesson on a right time when the Assembly election comes.
Okay, but would you say that it was also started by the BJP, because Amit Shah had also remarked and called him the Aurangzeb fan club member, the leader of the Aurangzeb fan club?
Of course, the kind of statements he has given. What more we can say? We have not started on our own. He's been entertaining those people who have been going to Aurangzeb's Kabar. Who was Aurangzeb? What kind of treatment he had given to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj? Who can forget that? No one. So, whatever he has been doing, according to that, our senior leader Amit Shah ji told.
Okay. All right. Mr. Ramkadam, thank you for joining us with your thoughts on that. Thanking Arunil as well for joining us with those inputs. So betrayal